Hey guys, the next tool I'm going to show you is the elevation tool. Pretty cool. We're going to go down in the toolbox to elevation. What this effectively does is on ATAK there is a file type called DTED, D-T-E-D, and that is elevation data for maps. I want to say that if you download ATAK-Civ, it comes preloaded with the entire world's worth of DTED level 0 information. And that means that for every, I think it's 1 kilometer, like 1,000 meters, it has a data point for elevation. And if we go here and we do show, you can see it. This is elevation information for the state of Colorado. I can see elevation through a heat map right now. I can change the intensity. I can zoom in, make it a little bit more fine. I can change the color saturation, make it high resolution, whatever. This is all based on DTED level 0. That, like I said, is 1 data point, I think, every 1,000 meters. There are better DTED file types out there. No, DTED 1 is 10 times more detail, and then DTED level 2 is 10 times that, and then DTED 3 I've heard about is like super accurate elevation information every like meter or 10 meters. If you guys know how to get that, you can import into ATAK and have more accurate elevation data, but this is all using DTED level 0, which isn't half bad. So yeah, there's the heat maps. Viewshed is kind of interesting. The idea behind this is, I'll say that I am currently located here at East Buffalo Peak in Colorado, and I want to see how far I can see 10,000 meters from me. This suggests that if I'm at this location, I can see the green things, and due to reasons, I will not be able to see the red things. I'm not sure if that's entirely true, but it is a tool that you can mess around with. Say I'm 500 feet above the ground. It says now I'll be able to see all this green stuff, and I will not be able to see the red stuff. So you can use this for, planning where you're going to position yourself and maybe be able to semi-accurately estimate what you'll be able to see and what you will not be able to see. If you were to have DTED level 1 or DTED level 2 or 3 information, this map I'm sure would be a lot more accurate. Contour, if you turn this on, this effectively generates contour lines similar to like a contour elevation style map. I'm not going to run it. I feel like every time I've done this historically, it made ATAK crash. You guys can try it out. Might work for you, might not. But elevation tool, pretty cool stuff.